everyone, my name is Jyoti and welcome back to my channel Health is Wealth. Well, in today's video we will be discussing about hand washing. So almost everyone knows hand washing. Why I am discussing hand washing, you must be wondering like that, isn't it? So let me tell you guys, like in this video I will be showing you how to do hand washing in an effective manner so that we can prevent infections. So in this video there are 7 steps which we have to follow thoroughly so that we can prevent spreading of infections. All, wet your hands. These were the 7 steps of hand washing through which we can prevent spreading of infections. So if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And one more thing is that not only in this COVID-19 crisis to follow this hand washing, in fact you can follow this hand washing throughout your day-to-day lifestyle, so that we can prevent infection as much as possible. Anyway, our safety is in our own hands, so we must take care of our health. So my last note is that stay healthy and be positive.